Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video for you. It is a collab with my friend Emma. So I've known Emma for around 5 years now. We've been online friends. We've never met in person, even though we came close about twice because we do live in the same province, but just like apart in the same province. Anyways, so today we're going to be talking all about social media. So on my channel, we're discussing how to avoid social media comparison, and over on Emma's channel, we're doing the truth behind social media. So we're exposing the fake friends, the sponsorship scams, and the brand deals that just don't seem quite right. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you've ever found yourself mindlessly scrolling on social media and just thinking, wow, her life looks perfect, whether it's her friends, her relationships, where they are or what they're doing, it just seems better than where you are. And the more you scroll, the worse you feel. But at the same time, it's so addicting to keep going. I'm here to tell you that I've been there too, quite frequently actually. So today, Emma and I put together 6 tips to stop social media comparison. Hope you enjoy! So number 1 is to understand that everyone has different strengths, focuses, and where they want to take their career. Just because it looks beautiful and easy on social media doesn't mean that it is that way in real life. For example, headshots are expensive. They are making an investment in themselves to bring their career to the next level. So while it just may look like a pretty picture on Instagram, there is a lot more behind it. So for example, posing and looking photogenic might be someone's strengths, and they might be better suited for the screen. As a career aspiration, you might have other strengths, and you could be better suited for your passions and your hobbies and what you ultimately want to do. Tip number 2 is to value community over competition. So when I first started out my YouTube channel, I was really competitive because I felt that the lifestyle niche was already very oversaturated with everyone trying to grow their channel. So at that time, I was really focused on numbers, how many subscribers I was getting, literally waking up every single day, and the first thing I checked was the numbers, how much engagement I was getting. And that was just exhausting. I've already mentioned this before, but another way to think of it is that they're paving the way for you. If they can do it, then so can you. My last tip is to really post what you believe in and what you're interested in, not just what's trendy or what everyone else is doing. When something's trending, it can be easy to think, oh, I won't grow unless I post about that topic, or oh, since everyone's posting about it, I'll just get left behind if I don't post about it. And it can be easy to fall into that trap. But the truth is, you might get some more publicity if you post about it, but it's going to be short-lived. And what's truly going to bring you far in your journey is consistently posting about what you truly believe in and are interested in.
What's up, guys? Hello! You've probably never seen my face before, or if you have, then what's up? Either way, my name is Emma. I have a YouTube channel called Emma E, and I also have an Instagram that is MMA_E that I post on. I basically post whatever I like on my social medias, lifestyle content, you know, vlogs, that kind of thing. I'm very excited to be part of this collab with Karen. It's all about social media. So as you already know, this video is about social media comparison. So I am going to be talking about a few points that I have experienced about this topic. Yeah, let's get into it. I also just wanted to say thank you so much, Karen, for having me on your channel. I was so excited to do this collab. So my first point is about posts. So I would just like to say 9 times out of 10, the photos you see of your favorite influencers, celebrities, YouTubers, whatever, are edited and or photoshopped in some way or another. A lot of people know this, but a lot of people also don't know this. Editing is obviously a very big part of social media, but sometimes you don't realize how edited these photos are. So a lot of the time, the photos you see of Influencers are facetuned or photoshopped, which there's nothing wrong with that, but it's very important to remember that these photos are often not reality. They're manipulated in one way or another, filtered, photoshopped, and so on. So try not to compare yourself to these people and these photos, because there is a filter on everything that celebrities post on their Instagram or YouTube or whatever. Always keep in mind that the photos you're liking and scrolling through on your feed are edited. Often it's not reality. So another big point for me, at least, is focusing on analytics or numbers, likes, followers, views, all of that stuff. That's a very big part of social media. Obviously, gaining a following, getting views, likes. You have to remember, it's not all about that. You should not be posting a photo just to get thousands of likes or followers or whatever, or expecting to get that. So try not to focus on numbers too much. It can consume you, and I know that from personal experience. Focusing on followers and likes won't really do anything except make you stressed out. Instagram recently took away the ability to see other people's likes, which I think that was a very good idea personally, because you know, a lot of people, including myself, compare my likes to other people posting, and I'm like, why don't I get that many likes? It's okay to look at your analytics. Obviously, that's a very big part of being an influencer, but don't get caught up in it too much, because it'll take the fun away from it very fast. So the last point is another very important one. It is knowing when to take a break. This is crucial in the process of being on social media. You cannot let it consume you. It's very easy to get caught up in posting and analytics and staring at your phone all day. When it starts to feel more like a job than something enjoyable, then it's time to maybe put your phone away for a day or even a couple hours and just take a break from social media. In the big picture, you are living your life in the moment right now. You're not living it through your Instagram. Make sure to focus on what you're doing right now, not always constantly looking at your phone, posting, editing, whatever, because it can consume you very fast. So yeah, it's okay to take a break. I like to do at least one day a week where I try and stay off of social media, and it's very good for your mind. Social media can be extremely distracting. Even if it is your job, it's still very consuming. Make sure to give yourself a break when you need it. It's totally okay to do that, and it's healthier that way, actually. Be mindful, don't let it consume you, and you know, social media should just be for fun. It shouldn't be so much of a task. So those are all of the points that I have. Just remember, social media should be fun. It's creating content to uplift others. Especially don't compare yourself to others, because as I said at the beginning, a lot of the photos you see are edited and only the best parts of people's lives are shown. So yeah, thank you so much, Karen, for having me on your channel. This was so much fun. So yeah, have a great day.
So thank you so much for watching if you've made it this far into the video. I really hope this video gave you some practical tips to avoid or at least lessen social media comparison. And if you have any other tips, we'd love to hear them in the comments below. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye!